Ever dreamt of buildings that morph and twist like living creatures? Or intricate furniture that seems to defy physics? If you're an architect, designer, or maker with an itch for the unconventional, then Grasshopper might just be the software you've been missing. But before you dive headfirst into this parametric design wonderland, a crucial question lingers. Is Grasshopper worth the investment? Time, money, and that precious learning curve, are they justified by the Grasshopperian powers you'll gain? Let's dissect this insect-inspired enigma. First, a crash course. Grasshopper isn't your standard 3D modeling software. It's an add-on for Rhino, a powerful 3D design platform. Here's the magic. Grasshopper ditches the click-and-drag approach and embraces a logic-based workflow. You build your designs like interlocking puzzles, with each element responding to changes in others. Think of it as creating a recipe for your design. Tweak one ingredient, and the whole dish transforms. Sounds futuristic, right? And it is. This parametric approach unlocks a whole new level of design exploration. Imagine designing a facade that automatically adjusts to sunlight, or a furniture layout that optimizes for different user needs. Grasshopper makes these once unthinkable concepts a reality. But hold on to your exoskeletons, because Grasshopper isn't for the faint of heart. The learning curve can be brutal. Unlike the intuitive click and drag of traditional software, Grasshopper requires a new way of thinking. You'll need to grapple with visual programming, a fancy term for building your designs with logic blocks instead of menus. Here's the good news. The Grasshopper community is legendary for its helpfulness. Countless online tutorials, forums, and even entire YouTube channels are dedicated to Grasshopper newbies. With dedication and a little online camaraderie, you can crack the parametric code. So, is Grasshopper worth it? Here's the honest truth. It depends. Are you an architect or designer constantly pushing the boundaries? Grasshopper's ability to create complex, organic forms makes it an invaluable tool. Imagine designing a pavilion that seamlessly integrates with its natural surroundings. Grasshopper can make that happen. Are you a product designer yearning for innovative solutions? The parametric approach allows you to explore a vast range of possibilities in record time. Need a chair that adjusts to different postures? Grasshopper can streamline the design process. But are you a casual hobbyist just looking to dabble in 3D modeling? Grasshopper might be overkill. Traditional software offers a more user-friendly approach for basic modeling needs. Ultimately, the value of Grasshopper lies in your design aspirations. If you dream of creating designs that are both beautiful and intelligent, then the investment of time and effort is absolutely worthwhile. The ability to explore complex geometries, automate repetitive tasks, and achieve an unprecedented level of design control, that's the Grasshopperian power you'll unlock. Just remember, the journey won't be a walk in the park. But for those with the passion and dedication, Grasshopper can become an essential tool in their design arsenal. So, are you ready to embrace the parametric revolution? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.